How to link EA account to YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen in the YouTube. After you've clicked on your profile, here, simply scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, on the left side, click on Connected Apps. After you click on Connected Apps, scroll down and click on Electronic Arts, and on the right side, click on Connect. After you click on Connect on the right side, press on Connect again. Press on Continue, and it will give you ways to sign into your EA account. I have simply used my Google account. You can add your phone or email and press on Next as well. I have directly added Google account. As you can see, now it's connected. This is how to link EA account to YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.